Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite fall treats, pumpkin bread. This bread is super delicious and great for the fall. Don't forget to check out the description box below to find the recipe. Let's get started. So to start off, you're going to take a large bowl and we're going to add 1 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And here I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to whisk up all these dry ingredients until they are combined. So in a medium-sized bowl, we are going to add 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next, we're going to take a whisk, and we're going to start whisking this all up until none of the sugar is seen. So next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1/4 of a cup of milk, and last but not least, we're going to add in 1 1/2 cups of pumpkin puree. And we're going to whisk this all up until it is all totally combined. Finally, once the ingredients are all combined, we are going to add in about 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. And we're just going to mix it up. So now that it is all mixed up, we're going to take a loaf pan and just grease it, and we're going to add this into the loaf pan. And finally, we're going to place this into a 350-degree oven for about an hour.